What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and all of you who are new to my YouTube channel, hi guys, I'm Shreya Agarwal and I am here to entertain you with my fashion and beauty content out there. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and do it right now. It will mean the absolute world to me. In today's video, as already read by the title, I'm gonna show you how I created this look. Starting off, I'm gonna use the YSL primer over here and just gonna dot it all over my face, as you can see, and now I'm just gonna massage it really well into my skin so that it just becomes nicely hydrated. Now I am going to use the MAC Strobe cream. As you can see, I am using a very tiny amount of it and just dotting it all over my face again, because I love to have that glow onto my face which this cream gives me. And yes guys, always hydrate your skin before makeup. It's very important. My third step is to use this professional primer, which is by Benefit, and I'm just gonna use it on the areas where I feel I have the pores, because it just helps to diminish them and makes your makeup look flawless. Starting off with the base, I'm gonna use this small tub by Kryolan and it's the orange shade, and as you can see, I'm just dotting it all over my face because it helps to diminish my pigmentation and gives a nice flawless look. Also, this corrector not only hides your pigmentation guys, but you tend to use less foundation in the next step. You'll see it further. Starting with the foundation, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty one in the shade Makaito, and I'm just going to take one pump of it because this is what we need, and I'm just dotting it out on all over my face, and then we'll just blend it out nicely for that flawless look, and it won't look cakey at all. You can see for your own self guys that how nicely the foundation is blending into my skin, and just 2 minutes guys and I was done with the foundation. Next step is of course a concealer, and mine is by PAC in the shade Stark Nude, and I have taken a very less amount and I'm concentrating on my inner eye and the outer eye, because this is what we need to conceal. We don't need to conceal the whole eye and make it look cakey. Now I'm using on the bridge of my nose and a little on the forehead. I'm going to apply it around my mouth area to conceal the pigmentation if any, and also a little on the sides. Now for blending, I'm using the Plum Beauty blender, and guys, trust me, if you are seeking for a good blender, go for it. It's really amazing, and ever since I have bought this one, I've literally ditched all other blenders and sticking to this one. You can see it through how the blender has become. Now this is a hack. Always dab your concealer on the inner corner in a concentrated form, and then when you are done with the inner corner thing, you can just take the excess of the concealer which is there on the beauty blender to the other areas of your eye, and you will see your eye look more in shape, and also your inner corners get brightened and gives a very nice effect when you put the eyeshadow. We are done with all our cream products now, and you can see my face is so dewy and there is no cakiness. Now I'm using this K Beauty powder in the shade Banana and just set everything in. Also guys, this powder is very finely milled, therefore it does not make your face look cakey at all. And you can see for your own self, after dusting the powder onto my face is not looking dry and it's still giving that dewy finish. Now comes my favorite part, which is spritzing some makeup fixer onto my face, and this one is by PAC. You can see I'm just drenching myself into the makeup fixer because it gives me such a hydrating and glowy look, and guys, trust me, it's the best fixer that's it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it because I have tried to accumulate more products in the video, but the quantity which I've used for each and every product is less. So this is what I always thrive for. I never see like if I have to put a lot of amount. No guys, this is not when it comes to makeup. You always need to put less quantity and still you have the base, because if you'll put a lot of quantity, I know and you also know, it becomes cakey and nothing else. So yes guys, please do follow all these steps, and if you like it, you know the drill. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the absolute world to me. Till then, bye bye.